This tutorial demonstrates how to review and respond to FlexPlan implementation requests in the ODS online portal. Students submit these requests when using their flexible attendance and deadlines accommodation. Note, this option is only available after instructors have completed a FlexPlan for the course. As a student experiences a disability-related flare causing them to miss class, miss a test, or need an assignment extension, the student can notify you via the ODS online portal through the FlexPlan implementation feature. Instructors have two options for responding to implementation requests. Let's review each one in more detail. Option A involves accepting a request via email. The email you receive includes the student's name, course, date, and specific accommodation requested. To accept the request, select the Acknowledge Implementation link within the email. To deny the request or express concern, select the Instructor Portal link to log in. Then follow the steps in Option B. After selecting Acknowledge Implementation, you will be asked to enter your UA email address and select Accept. Option B involves accepting or denying the request through the Instructor Portal. To accept or deny the request, sign in to the Instructor Portal and select FlexPlan from the menu on the left. View submitted requests by selecting Implementation Requests in the top right corner, or by selecting List All in the Implementation Requests box. Select View beside the request you would like to review and respond to. The Implementation Detail and List of Questions boxes provide details regarding the student's request, such as the date, reason for the requests, and additional comments. To accept the student's request, select Accept and enter any notes or instructions. Then you will be asked to verify your confirmation. You and the student will receive an email confirming the request was accepted. To express a concern about the student's request, locate the Concern or Feedback box. Select a reason from the drop-down menu and enter your feedback. Then select Submit Concern or Feedback. You will receive a confirmation email and the accommodation specialist will be in touch. If you have questions, please review the faculty guidance on our website, where you can also interact with our chatbot. You may call us at 205-348-4285 or email us at odssupport@ua.edu.